Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, DJI MIC 2, and now I'm gonna show you how to record sounds without camera. So you can record sounds using this DJI MIC without the camera. To do that, you just need to press on the recording button on the microphone on which you want to record, and on the one side you will have a green light, and on the other one you will have a red light. So red light, it means that now this microphone recording your voice, and then when you will want to download this audio from this microphone to your PC, you need to connect this microphone using USB-C cable to your PC, to your MacBook, to your Windows book, and in this way you will see it like just normal flash drive on your Windows device or on your Mac device. You don't need any applications to do that, and you will see the file on this device, and you can download it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.